Hi there. Did you know that a quarter of all of the incidents that happen on the road network actually involve somebody who at the time of the incident was driving on behalf of work? That's either their own business or their employer. So I'm Adrian, I'm a driver risk management consultant, and I've been involved in driver safety now for over 30 years. And when I tell people what I do, they look at me as if to say, what on earth does a driver risk management consultant do then? To put some context around this, clients I work with would say things typically like, we recognise driving as a risky business, and as a responsible employer, we want to make sure we're doing everything we possibly can to keep our staff safe. Others would say things like, do you know what, if we were to be involved in some form of investigation and it was subsequently found out that we didn't have everything that was in place that was required to meet our duty of care, we'd be worried about the consequences. We believe these could be things like hefty fines or even a custodial sentence under corporate manslaughter if a fatality is involved. So I work with businesses who put people first, have got the drive and the ambition to drive collisions down within their business and inject a culture of driver safety. I make sure that the business has the right risk assessment, the right practices, the right policies, the right procedures, embracing technology and having governance around driver safety, making driver safety part of the business's DNA. I'm passionate about road safety. I'm a strong believer in that accidents, as we call them, don't need to happen. And together, working with businesses, I'm sure we can make the road network a much, much safer place for everybody. So if anything I've mentioned in this short video resonates with you, or you would just quite simply like a chat to see how you measure up against best practice guidelines and the guidelines that the Health and Safety Executive would require you to demonstrate in the event of an investigation, then please get in contact with me. The initial discovery meeting between you and myself would be free of charge. I just want to establish what you currently do and to see whether there's any value that I can add to the things that you already do. So if you'd like a conversation with me, please do get in touch. I very much look forward to speaking with you.